Hi guys, you don't know it's the girl Kwana, aka Kwana Takea. Just link up with the team in a salve, public report official. Make sure so now tune into the movie. Make sure so now subscribe if you haven't yet. After the movie, I want to like and share. I also want to run go over my channel, that's Kwana Takea, and go ahead and subscribe because you know your girl is coming with some hot skits. Today, better have money to give me because today I Saturday. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon now. Now, babe.
I don't know, tell me now what go on.
They are, as you can see, they are from work.
Today I Saturday now.
Yes, so what happened about this Saturday now?
What do you mean what go on? You know nothing for me?
What you want? I don't know what you want. You only say if I have nothing for your baby.
I'm supposed to tell you what I want. I don't tell you already during the week because you said Friday and today is Saturday.
Yesterday I pay up bills, you know.
You pay up bills and no food no buy in my house?
So food I can buy today.
Yes, so that me come for?
Later on because I still are going and I pay a lot of bills yesterday. And I like, I don't have no money, I have money, but here what happen? I have to go and sell down some white goods them first because I still go a little
You know, say all the while I do this?
All the while, my baby. What kind of all the while?
You promised me the money, I know you tell me bullshit.
Well,
so what am I going to eat now? I want to go home and look for something to eat.
You want to go cook something?
Yeah.
You can give one little cabbage, one little piece of yam.
Huge, what kind of cabbage? Every day you feed me pan cabbage and pop chow
Every
like
day?
me a goat. Me a goat to be a vegetable you give me.
I bet you must eat my red meat, not good for you. I bet you must eat up. What kind
this
of red
look like
meat?
Like veg and they can hold it. Hey, don't
What you want to do? Big on the bus?
You see what?
We don't want no big
you
fat
know,
woman
so
fat
right
on the bus. What kind of all the while you come with
which
your
kind
sister?
of big? Me no want no broke man.
Me no broke. Me I do my business. Me
You're
can't have my business and broke.
You're broke.
They not gonna get one rich man.
I with public.
Go and go there with public.
I shouldn't take him. I should follow my family them and take public.
Go and go take public.
Public post for a man in on there. How much car him buy? I know you can buy one taxi.
Same thing me I tell you we do no love. Vanity you no love.
Your workless.
This
you can't give me cabbage.
You want
what
cabbage
go
cook?
Do? Eh? What cabbage go do?
You can't cook.
What cabbage go do?
Now keep you up and me get one color look in our pack or something.
Me a goat.
What you want?
Every
What you
day
want?
me
100,000?
Me
Mix
don't
up the
want
cabbage
no
with a
cabbage.
little broad bean and a little rice or something flour. You can't peel yam.
Me is not a vegetarian.
Oh, you can't peel yam.
Me is not a Rastafarian,
You
sir.
want to live a KFC and
all of
burger.
this can't keep up with vegetable is what. Me don't want no fruit. What kind of fruits you come pick? You come tell me about?
Everything your sister show you. Meat you want. Everything your sister show you.
Every day, every week are the same thing.
You know how much you chicken?
Me sorry, me never take public.
Take public.
Cause public have a big waterfall like me. Me had to relax right now. But then a son after come argue with you. No teeth, man.
No problem.
No teeth.
Yes, I
told you.
Yes, no problem. You love him, do. No problem. You love your boy, do.
Love what?
You love him till you're bad. Your sister, you can't come to give problem. No boy. But
alright, you're gonna get burnt till you weak.
That no, I know if you do. We're going to do it public.
Smell nice. Welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Double tap on the screen and share the live. Remember to tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen. Send up the likes, them man. A sweetie, but me I show off like I say a lipstick. Why you slam the door so hard?
Mommy,
You could knock first before you come in.
you mean slam the door? I don't slam the door.
Why you come inside my room and you never knock the door first? You just barge in.
Mommy.
So suppose me did naked.
Mommy, I know say here, me knock the
Don't
door.
mommy me. Don't mommy me.
You know, say because I TikTok and the part, that's why you don't hear me.
Because I wish TikTok. So all my TikTok with me depend concern you.
Around 3 times I knock the door now.
No, you don't knock the door.
Bro, 3 times I knock the door,
That is a lie from the pit of hell. You know say you lie like your papa? That's why me I feel like your papa. Me don't like you lied man.
You know, say
them
every-
pick me always come like them.
Every
I'm
single
motherfucker,
time we
me
want to
take
talk
a-
to you, you
Me
always
no
ask.
want hear nothing from you. Look boy, me take off your glasses. You know so from the other day, me noticed that you reach 17 now, you're going like you're a big man. Oh, so you start feather now, so you feel like so you're up in at the top. Don't come back in my room without knocking first. You hear me I tell you? Okay.
Alright. Come just come in off.
What you have to say? I'm matter of fact, tell me what you say. What you say to me?
To them, if you carried some of them from school, some of them wonder. How last time I see it in a room because they use it to hold up your phone when you're in the party.
Me? Jesus Christ.
Mommy, you
God,
don't really
if you're not
pretend
busy,
like-
come down and come help me. What you say me do with your book, boy?
The last time I see my book, in the party bed, I use it to hold up your phone when you're in the party.
Me I use your book to hold up my phone. So my phone they pop down now. It dey on one side and a limb. Jesus,
Mommy.
boy. You say if I sit in your come ask me for? You want money to go buy ice cream? Because every time you want something, you bring in one liar or come friend me up say, Mommy, me know say you love me. You're my child, I love you, yes, but you not have to friend me up to ask me for things. What is your problem?
I'll be a friend, I'll be just ask
What
you
you
what's wrong.
want? What happened about your book? You can't find it.
No. The
So
last time I see it in there, so that's why I come in here to ask you which party it is.
Javi, you remember saying me and your mother. Remember saying me and your mother, and my mother never send me go to school. Not because me send you go to school and you learn. And you come out with the most subject and you're bright. And me done so me cannot read.
Me never
Not
say
because
that.
me can't spell right.
I never say, how that come in?
You dey come use your book. What me I do with your book? What me I go do with book now? Me cannot spell, me can't read. Me no know in the book. Me go use book catch up my phone. What me I do with your book?
Mommy, you don't say you're for proud of me. Because,
Me proud of you.
no, you don't say you're for proud of me. Because, what if me need turn out the past social media every single day like how you need? Would I never come out to the in life? Look at every single person who we go to school with. They bother do hard working job. All of them.
Me I hear you, me I listen. One
Are
time.
you the on TikTok? Yeah, but nobody have a TikTok.
With
Be honest with yourself.
I am honest with
No, be
myself.
honest with yourself.
You
Every
don't-
single night in the part, taps and roses. Yeah, but no real body have a TikTok.
Let me ask you one question first.
If
before
you're
me
there
go
in
down
Jamaica,
details.
you don't even make money have a TikTok because you don't even get paid for any video unless you go on live.
God, you hear that little boy? Yeah?
You don't make no real
So
body
you
have a
graduate now,
TikTok.
you feel say you're a big man.
You literally sell a house that we used to live in. A nice, comfortable house.
Me have to sell the dirty house when me did live
I
in. I
don't-
have to mind you and send you go to school.
No, you
because
sell-
your papa no, left your party.
No, may I talk to you. You sell
This
your
boy-
house,
let me
so you
take
can,
out
how
that.
you take your money do? Buy one new iPhone.
So what if me buy one phone? Me buy one phone.
You
fi
buy
go
a phone
on
so you
social-
can go on social. Exactly, so you just
Yes, me buy one phone to go up on social media so me can interact with people
Before you
and communicate.
take it-
I'll find one good man funny where me can mind you and send you go to college. because you just-
Before you say, make you take your money, invest or try to even buy one new car or build one house. Instead of buy one
Blood of
phone.
Jesus. Why?
I know
Not
you move.
because-
I know you move in our 2-room apartment we're small as hell. Sorry for if me curse. Sorry,
Sorry if you
But-
curse.
but
You're not no man as in so me not talk to you.
but you don't make no money, mommy.
What do you mean me not make no money? How comes you survive? Yes, you left school, you graduate, or you eat, or you drink, or you
I
sleep.
mean,
Or me get water
I'm-
and soap
I'm
to wash your
da-
clothes,
I'm
or
da-
pay for Wi-Fi, light bill, and all kind of
and
stuff.
daddy has send your money every month for
Daddy, your backside. Daddy, they tell you lie. Daddy, every day is daddy. Are you alone have daddy? Well, me no grow with no
Me
father.
never say
And
that.
me, look here.
Mommy,
You notice me walk
mommy,
around
yeah,
and wash people dirty clothes to
Mommy,
send you to school.
be honest.
Eh?
When I last time if I put $1,000 in my hand, I always daddy give me money. Be
If
honest.
your papa they give you money, me don't know about it, but me sure say me give you money a man in time to go to school. No, you graduate, you come and stand up
Yeah,
and
but-
talk to me like me and you there. But if you remember, say you're my son, me and you is not size. You talk about phone or me buy iPhone to go up on social media. You should have glad. Say me buy it.
Why be for glad?
So you don't know about public.
Of course, we know about public.
Public with on social media, on TikTok every day. You don't see how public buy how much car and bus and this and all kind of
But
stuff and big house.
but-
So you don't want me buy it too.
It's not about
So
so
where
we
you
don't
think me
want
get the
buy.
money from to buy this house?
Bobby.
Although a 2-room and it's smaller than the house when I sell. Where you think me get the money from? Me get it off of social media and buy at least have your own room. What is
Bobby.
the problem, little boy?
Bobby, the house where we live
Don't mommy
was
me.
far better than the house where we live.
Yeah, the house where
we literally live in our rent house now.
Jesus
Any
Christ,
single
boy,
day,
I shame.
landlord can say, you don't say,
The boy
They are-
a shame.
they are selling
Me
out
just
place.
talk out. Look how you chat too much, boy. Me just chat out loud. Say me buy one house. For me and you stay in and you have your own room. Make the dirty neighbor them will love know my business here. And now you go
Okay,
chat
but
out
I
in
try
loud
to
for the
make
ear. Say I rent me rent.
Ah, you know what
Oh, you
funny?
chat too much.
but that you have to shout out loud if you're with business. Because everybody in that community already know.
Me did want them
Literally
to
big
buy
house, so
me
we-
buy this. Me want them to think so me make money off of social
Why you
media.
want, wait,
Because I want to be like public. You know see public.
so why you want to be like somebody else, Bobby? Why you try to pretend like you have things?
Look here, little boy, me no size, no question me. Leave me alone and come out of my business as long as me make you a near man asleep and you're the shit in a good toilet. You hear the tissue we clean your backside is me by it. You don't care where me get the money from. And you know
Bobby.
business me want go on social media. It's my damn blasting
Bobby,
business.
if me never, why would I come to you and I try to talk to you? Say, you don't see if you find one real job, one job you can actually make. Bobby, you not even make minimum wage. There was a minimum wage I want now $50,000.
Father God,
Bobby, you not even have a bank account.
what you say?
Bobby, you not
Why
even have
you
one
shame me all
care.
the while? So what if me don't have a bank
Maybe
account?
shame you, be honest. You don't
Alright.
have no bank
Alright,
account,
talk.
you
Me
don't have
no
no
bank
care.
account. Yes, me not have no bank account. Why you not go look a job and take out one bank account?
You know what funny? Think about the way you even collect
See
your
they
money.
are pass your place
No,
with me.
think
So
about
bad.
how you collect your money off of TikTok.
Little boy, me
I
and size
church
now.
sister, you have to ask for collect your money for you. And guess what? You have to give her money out of it every
Hold on
single
there,
time.
hold on.
Say that you want to get the
Javi,
full
hold
money.
on. So imagine you stand up. Me carry go to church and you stand up and I listen when me and my church sister
We
talk
need
say,
listen. We not even go to church anymore because you're not even.
me carry go to church. Me carry go to
When I
church
last
few
time,
times.
Richie? When I
A long
last-
time me no go, but me used to carry go to church. How you
Exactly.
know about me and my church sister business?
Bobby, every single person know say you are the church sister degree for a long time. For a long time, we would agree. All the pastor they have to sit to the and talk to you. I would still agree. I still have to
Where you say me
get.
and the pastor no agree?
I never say pastor, give me say
Who you say
church.
me and them no agree?
In church sister.
The church sister?
Yes.
So you don't know me and her no agree?
Of course, I know why.
Why? Let me see, can you act like you're TVJ and CVM? Why me and my church sister don't agree?
Bobby.
Boy, me and her used to go and see
Because you, because
you're too fast and you act like you want inquisitive in your mama business. And me you know there. Remember, you is my son, we can't there. Listen,
Bobby, me
she
know
is my church sister and she used to be my classmate and we there with the same man. That's why me and her can't agree. Now rank yourself with me.
You know, some of I try to make you be mad, but me just need one.
Me a chat loud because I want to neighbor them hear. They must have wonder if me and my man over here they argue. Lord Jesus, and my son and me they argue like I said, me and you there.
Bobby,
God
me just
almighty,
have
boy,
the
if you
honest-
stop it, man, come out of my life. Come out of my life. Stop it.
Bobby,
Me don't like your ways.
me must say.
No, you make it whole
Me
of the
must
district
me
here.
must say,
Me
me
over here.
go, me must say.
Can you see me mouth big and loud already? You're still a time in my spirit.
Listen, I must say, me soon go to college, you know. I must say, me not go there anymore. So me just want to make sure say you're in a position where you can take care of yourself.
If me not make no money off of it, that do not concern you. I mean, never they complain to you whether me I make money on it or not. Why you come in my room and they disturb me, Javi? If you know me, know you come out of my room and stop talk to me. Boy, me no size. Go on out of my room. Right now, me don't want you nothing more from you. You need to get out.
You don't make no money off of TikTok.
That does
Just
not...
be honest. Yeah,
Me, if you just be honest, that does not concern you. It not concern you whether me I make money or me not make money.
be honest.
But
How much money you have on
yeah,
TikTok?
sleep and you
Much
eat
money
and
have-
you drink.
Much money you have on TikTok right now?
Me not have no money for it. And me not make no money for it. But that not concern you. But me
Alright.
still a mind you and me a feed you. And me a clothe you and I do everything to you. Boy, come out of my room.
It's
And not get me on my wrong side in
social
here.
media go body
Look here,
out.
come out of my room and close the door.
Social media go body out.
Get out. Thank you, Jesus, in God. What a piece of disgrace. This a boy they act like I say me and him in a business. You see that get too long now. So you're ready to come argue with me. You have to remember say me is your mama. What is wrong with you? Cho, me go back for my life. You're outside and you can't tap me from up on TikTok. Welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Double tap on the screen and share the live, guys.
What go Alaska? What go on general?
Yeah, enough for all them same way,
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm pretty much. But there,
But glad to see you.
on the grind as usual, you know what I mean?
Yes, man, you have to depend on the car, you don't know anything set.
But you remember we ask about still, see?
Yes.
Because it's like say, I don't know, so every time when we go live stream and so forth, you know, more I look a certain way. You know what I mean? But you know, when you can borrow your vehicle, just for do like a live stream idea. You know what I mean? But the serious part I want to ask about, you see a place where you work down so
Yeah.
I want to come take a live stream or do a live video down on the car mat. You understand me? I said that one I want to do. But which day feature we can work out?
Tomorrow.
You can work out tomorrow?
Yes, man.
But if you say boss, alright with it?
Boss, good, man.
You sure?
Yes, man.
Remember last time you say boss and really too friendly, you know?
No, your boss
I
not
mean-
too friendly.
Mm-hmm.
It's a serious man. But it will happen.
It will happen?
Yes.
Alright, because yo,
Possibly it will happen, man.
because you are going every time I on social media and thing, you know, me have to talk about the next level. You know what I mean? Some more move to the next level now. I mean, them sister boy, you know, things are going on and so forth. Because I have video with me, you know, they are big place and, you know, they are hotel and they drink champagne and have nice girl and them something like that. But right now, more of have like a, you know what I mean, one of them nice vehicle with right up on it. You know what I mean? Either a Benz or a BMW or something like that. But I know say down a few place where I work, them have them down there.
Yeah, man, we have a couple of Benz down there.
Yeah.
BMW.
BMW and say, not true. Alright, so just
But
check your
me not cut you. The money expensive for them, you know.
Me know that me I tell them
And a chicken back money or
me know.
chicken money, you know.
And that's why I have to, yo, come and say I have to fake it till we make it, you know.
Yes.
And right now, you know, some people are link me from Dubai. You know what I mean? I say they like my profile and like how I deal with my thing. You know what I mean? I say, yo, when me go forward that way there and I tell them say, yo, you know, one day soon I can fly over, check them and so I want, but I don't have no passport.
Bruh. So how you go buy Benz?
Ah man,
I even a simple car then.
you know, so we
A
go on.
passport you have look about there something there first, you know.
That's
and
true.
set your thing right way.
That's
Make
true.
certain say you have all that shit over your head.
You well, that's one
You have
next
to live
story.
with Benz a little bit. Benz can turn for our you the Empress girl. Or what?
No, alright.
You hear on the social media, you know, the thing I go on, you want to go buy Benz.
Well, to be honest with you,
You want to get hype
Hold on,
early, man.
To be honest with you, nothing now go on. But we still have to go on, show it like something that go on.
Yes, but
You understand?
show it's so big. You can go on easy. Right now you can buy all the Axio and you're nice.
But I can't buy nothing, brother. I don't have no money. I try to show you. You know, work out that way, because right now I buy little views. You know, when you buy views, you don't really get no money.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So that's
know
a
that.
problem. But right now, I just want to impress who me can impress for the time being. You know what I mean? In public class, you know what I mean? So if I want
know
that. So all the more if you do for me. See, just do this to me. Cause me, you know you understand what I go on really and truly.
I understand.
Line up it, check your boss, and then tomorrow we can actually go, you know what I mean, do the live stream in a one Benz. That would have blew up the thing, brother, me I tell you.
Me I go do that.
So you can do it though?
Yeah, man. Me I get up a morning
And start it
the
out.
place.
Alright, brother.
Talk
Yo,
to Bossy. Make him know.
funny enough, say, Orange juice, me I drink from Peru and you're there, so I beat the orange juice, you know what I mean?
A link, connection, man.
Great minds, that's all.
what you have to do.
Think alike, but yo,
Man.
I want to do a little quick live stream. If you say I can borrow a bus for us, do a little one right now.
Wow, you know, easy in the public. See the man, up in.
Up in, all right. Respect,
One
yeah, brother.
thing, yeah.
All right. Yes, my people, you don't know, say it's public grass, hold it off, yeah? You don't know, some of us watch my bus a while ago, we just there easy and cool out. Cause, you know, so we roll. Rain and soon I'll drop on all them things, but we still have to stay clean, fresh and clean, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we roll through. So we things them in our daily, you know what I mean? Daily activity. You know, I go already, yeah? Tops and roses, tops and likes. Send out the line them too, them the ones, you know what I mean? Yeah? I don't know, so we think up, and we stay up. Yeah man, check out my bus there, I hold it off, see it here? Yeah, brand, hey, you hear me? This a bus here, when I buy the bus here, you know, nobody never on bus here, you know. As soon as I buy the bus here, I start the people that buy the bus here. Yeah man, them bus here, how far it come from? Mazda zoom, 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 yeah, them me I talk about. Vaxi, I vax everybody around here has taxi them something, I mean, up on them thing there, you know what I mean? Different, you know, me unique, you know. Yeah man. You don't know a thing or lifestyle, we raise the bar at time. But guess what now, talking about raising the bar. Yeah man, thanks for the rose, my girl. I see it, I like it. Thank you very much, girl. You're the girl that put on big rose. How you mean? Valentine's Day soon forward, now where you stay, me set it back. Alright, you want to go on, so tomorrow is a very special day for me. I guess so now, tomorrow, me I raise the bar. See it? I buy one brand new Benz tomorrow on Carmart. More on the sewer go on. Because it's my lifestyle, I have to keep it up, I have to give God thanks for it too. Because without God, nothing is possible. All my brethren them. You know what I mean? Big up my brethren Lasco. You know what I mean? Because you know them you there remember where I come from and thing. So you know what I mean? Him own a Carmart now, so I'm going to basically, you know, sell me the vehicle tomorrow. So that's the way I go on. Everybody to check in. Tomorrow about 1 o'clock, I bank up 8, wake up about 10, you know what thing go. Yeah. So just check in tomorrow, yeah? This is public grass. Tomorrow I buy my Benz, but everybody to experience that with me. Raise the bar, you know what I mean? Put in the work. Think a chicken with a jerk. Put in the work, yeah. What? Oh that, can the Empress and the Lion? Oh you mean? Give thanks, mama. You reach far, cause you're generous. Can the Empress? Me see you, man. Yeah, man, hold it off. Friends like these, you want to keep in a real life. You don't know anything. Well, yeah, man, we must meet in a real life, man. Or yourself. And there you must meet up and things. You see the flossing and dancing and, you know, because we have people endorse the thing, you know what I mean? You know, high skin, you know? Yeah, rough. All right, me I check off because the sun start get hotter now and thing because, you know, this live stream is hard work, you know what I mean? So, sweat. But you sweat off your brow, shall you eat food, that's what them say. Yeah, so bless up on yourself, this is public grass holding it off. Check in back tomorrow, because we go buy a Benz tomorrow. See me bus here, and me first have a bus here. You know what I mean? From me have a bus, everybody start by bus, I don't know why. The bus can't swim, I don't know. This one, very special. But hey, big up on yourself, yeah. Candy Empress, thanks for the Lion. Second Lion to send on for the thing. Yo, Candy Empress, big up yourself, you know. You reach far, mama. Bless up yourself. So, yeah, man. Now check out for now. Love is the word, I will spread it. Big up on yourself. Out, public grass, out. Yeah. Ow! Yo, wait, so lock up the bus for you? Yeah, man. Lock up it? Yeah. I may lock up the bus. Yo! Back in there. Alright, let's go on. Go on, do one live until it reach. Yeah, I'm going to wait till some people check out on the live, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, today I gonna be a big day, you know. And I don't know you go already. Because today me I step up in a life. Life is worth living, you have to live it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Public grass, me I teach you how it's done. Yeah, man. Wow, see there? A lady out of Chicago, Candy Empress, big up yourself, big up yourself. You have sent some wonderful gifts. Respect our manners, you know, because I don't know anything going on. You rough out there in the world there, you know. Yeah, man, so guess what I go on now? I done tell you already, you know, say, it's a big day for me, it's a big day for us, because we have shared this experience, right? I get the upgrade today. So in a few minutes, when I go see me, I'm a new brand Benz, you know what I mean, a road show. So anyway, when I see me in the western area, Kingston area, I don't know anything go. Yeah, my thing that. Because the license plate like a mark, you know what I mean, P-O-B, pub, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey, thanks for the gifts, thanks for the gifts. Hey, Sexy Kerry, oh, you mean, respect, respect. Yeah, man, big up yourself. See there. All right, so I check off now, you know. See, soon in a few, all right? So when me jump on the live stream, all you go see right now is that my new official Mercedes-Benz, brand new, fresh out of plastic. You know what I mean? So check it out, all right? Cool, out there. Come here, my general. Bossy.
Oh, go on, man.
Yeah, there, man. Everything good?
Well, yeah, man, but bad news, you know.
What do you mean bad news?
You come out of the shade, man, and talk because you can't talk yourself hot.
Jesus Christ, man. I can't believe you come give me bad news and all
Yeah,
that.
man, I tell you, fam, say bad news. Bad news. Nice guy, but the boss are going bad right now.
Where's that? Boss are going bad?
Yeah, man, the boss are saying even want to catch you back even side the premises.
What do you mean side the premises?
Back over there.
I want me to do so.
Boy, boss, they be rating, you know, because I say like, yeah, scam out the people, them, man, so I'm sitting, you know.
Me a scam out the people, them? What do you mean say me a scam out the people, them? It's just a profile. What your boss a deal with? The boss sound like him jealous in the boss. You know what I mean? Them the boss say if you top work with, you know. That sound like a basket, brother. Because I can't believe say it's just for maintain a status, because you don't know, so we are get the youths and we are trying to make it a certain way. But you know what I mean? We just have to fake it till we make it. That's just the level of it. Eh? So I don't know what I talk about.
Why you have to go stop them thing there, no? Because it's not the right thing you're doing, boss. I tell you.
You too?
Yeah. And a good thing you do. And the boss knows say no good thing you do. That's why he knows say I scam out the people them. So I don't know what you're up to, you know.
I can't believe say you there with that whole thing and I'm here to start the whole thing. Hmm?
And
You don't know, you alright. Your last girl, your hot girl there. You remember Munchie?
Yeah, man, remember.
And me give you Munchie. What do you think I get Munchie? If me never have a profile, you're cool to get Munchie, you know. Only if you know that. I saw you going to Jamaica, you have to have status. And if you don't have status, you make it. How we make it? You have to fake it till you make it. I tell you already, much time to say the same thing. Yo, go back and tell the boss now, because I just do one live a while ago tell the people, say, me go buy Benz. How am I going to tell the people now, say, Benz, abracadabra? No,
you
I see you now, you
buy
don't.
your Benz, but you have to buy it for my boss.
I can't buy no Benz. You come like something wrong with that too. Me can't buy it, brother. I'm a side status, I profile thing. You understand me? I say, look like you. All you think the same way to like the people them. But you me I say still. The boss can't, yo.
Boss is a serious man, you know, that me I try to tell you.
Say man switch for me
So the day just try to know what you
I wonder if I
do.
watch him live and feel like say boy, I feel place me I go. Are you tell him? Are you tell him?
No, sir.
You know some place that you is that you want
I
go?
lie me tell him.
Is it from today?
Yeah.
I just there say that I make it stay there so.
Anything you say now.
Anyway, there we just left it there so. Don't worry about it. We are still friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I papa. Bonus split and go on with a bag. Yes, sir.
Man, me I go on with my boys.
All right, boss.
say, you know?
See,
What you say? You buy a Benz. Me see you on live, you know?
Oh, yeah, man.
So when you buy a Benz, because God know me not tell online. When you buy me one time, lift out it, you know?
Well, I don't say, I told them to buy the Benz, but guess what now? It's like, I'm going to feel too good the answer. So, you know, I really take my time and say, me can, you know what I mean, just go home and evaluate some stuff and then forward back in you know what I mean? Night town tomorrow and, you know, see what I go.
Nah, tell no lie. You done for TikTok.
Eh?
So what I've gone, me have bridging for a long time, you know, you can't buy me a vitamin water.
Vitamin water?
Yeah man, I want the energy one, the yellow one.
Yeah, man, I can, yeah.
So where you come from out here, so? Are you run a place here, too?
Yeah, man, my family places, man.
I lie. Your family?
Yeah, my family place, yeah.
Oh, I think I hear a place. Wait there, but not some Chinese one this.
Yeah, man, I China only, man, but I'm a family them.
So,
I'm a family them, we are talking about. Where you do that?
so, hold on there. You did have Chinese family too?
Yeah.
My youth can give me more than one energy water to drink.
Energy, no, are you going to? I can start at energy water. Link me on the social gram there and we can talk. You know what I mean? Because
No, Instagram, no.
Hmm?
You got link up on TikTok.
Yeah, you on TikTok. Yeah,
Yeah.
man, you on TikTok. And we can reason. So,
You don't always see me on TikTok, me always up on my live too.
so when you're on TikTok?
Candy Empress. My
Yeah.
youth, I want the vitamin water.
Oh, you name Candy
Empress? No, I want the water. You want that for me?
Yeah, I can get it for you.
Vitamin water, the yellow one.
Yellow one.
Yeah, we have energy.
Alright, stay so don't move, yeah?
Alright.
Stay so don't move.
Don't style me, no.
No, man, stay so my family place, man,
You
I
buy
tell you.
Benz, you must scam them a little
That's
cheap water.
exactly. I come here go for a comfort.
Alright,
You know what I mean?
Boom, bad, my youth. Rate you.
See? Family and place, man. You don't know a thing, man.
My youth, you come back fast. I believe you.
Yeah, but them people in place, man, I tell you.
I believe you say your people in place, man. Thank you.
A long pen Williams and name, you know.
Right?
You know what I mean?
You see this?
Yeah.
This is water, yeah. Give me energy when me dehydrated.
Here we go. Link me on Instagram, because here we go. It's like
Stop say Instagram, no man.
Instagram,
Can't
social
bother
media,
pick up on
TikTok,
Instagram
whatever the
now
case may
because
be.
me have too much something to do.
Alright, TikTok.
Me have an account for Instagram still, you know.
Yeah.
But me kind of busy on TikTok.
Alright, link on TikTok, you don't know a thing.
I'll
No?
send you a message on TikTok.
Where's the name again?
Candy Empress,
Candy
my
Empress.
youth.
Alright, so link on.
But me a virgin so long and you don't remember me.
No, enough. You must have enough people check you, know, like how we
And
do me
me,
like.
me not forgot public rest. No man.
Alright. Link me up here and we talk.
You want
Yeah?
to do a little thing for me still, you know. Now link you first about it on TikTok, here?
Alright, man has respect. Yeah?
Yeah, cause me like where you going with on TikTok, you know?
Respect.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Wait, I walk him and walk. So he tell me, say, wait there. So public rest not tell me say him and the Chinese them related. No man, something not right here so. Cause oh you and Chinese fi friend and you walk. Something not right. I wonder if a thief ain't going in the supermarket go thief this. And a big up in dirty self but him and China related. Yo, I just when me start drinking already, you know, me no want that way because I'm thirsty. Watch ya. Boy, a top taxi.
Up to you.
Nothing really happened to me, you know, my son. I just can't believe what happened today.
What happened today?
You don't know public rasp on TikTok.
Obviously, we know who the public cross, but I always talk about him every single day.
Me just meet him, you know, in the town, you know. Me see him.
You meet him just a while ago?
Me just meet him.
So wait, where about the road that's road that's you live?
No, me meet him in the town. I come out of one supermarket where he say his family them own it and the people them will own it is Chinese.
So wait, about China?
So he might try explain to me and they tell me, you know, in a one way like say him own the supermarket or him have some shares in there.
So
Me
what
a-
weird about that?
What?
So what weird about that?
What do you mean we're weird about it? Me no understand this. Me beg him more vitamin C water, the energy one, you know the yellow one there?
Yes, but don't say
Him
hello.
go back inside and carry it out, come give me.
Yeah.
But for big tapper notch,
Yeah.
public rasp on TikTok, me not look for see him a walk. Me dey look for see him a drive one big Pajero or them big old expensive Jeep, not even car.
So what wrong if you walk?
For all them 60 odd million in a US. No man. The man just go in at the supermarket and come out back with the water and come give me. Me I wonder if a thief in thief because them the
Well,
big
how you
old
with a thief? How you with a thief? That don't make no sense. How if you go to a supermarket or a thief? So obviously I will get catch.
public rest a black somebody, me not understand him and the Chinese people them related.
Me don't know about your TikTok business. And you say you love TikTok. Me don't
TikTok different from what me I say.
and you
Public
love
a raw ban black somebody.
so where Trev? What is the point? Are you?
And the we ain't going at the supermarket fast and come out back with me I fear one day for thief in thief. When me look, me see my walk, I go straight down the road. All they watch me, they watch him for see him going in one big vehicle. Cause me, I'm a boss, you know, how him go buy Benz.
Well,
No,
but
me
that's
think he
surprising.
have one big.
But that's surprised because right now, me believe that TikTok are foolish. Social media are foolishness.
No, not do that.
Make nobody.
No, but that, don't go there, son. My son,
TikTok not
you
make
don't know nothing about. What you know
I
about
see a way
TikTok?
with you, woman. You don't make nobody.
If me even now make no money, people they funny and make money. I mean, not grudge them or jealous over them. Thank God for who can make money. One day me will make money too.
So
What
yeah.
if you say they not make no money? What you know about TikTok?
Well, I see something when me always tell they don't make nobody. So that's yeah. Watch him say, look, you just realize say he might not make
you
as
know
much.
what I say?
Where I try to really say he not make
Let
as
me
much
listen to
money
you.
as he might try to say.
Him hungry musty. They big up himself on TikTok. So he want hype up like the rest of people them way and make their money. Him nah make none and show off him and show.
Well,
But-
you're a big idol, so if he not
I
make
mean,
no money,
yes, I mean, me I'm biggest fans on TikTok.
and he not make no money, don't it?
But me no know because me hear my announce say him go buy Benz, but I me see him a walk and then this is me kind of, you know what I mean? To him I say the Chinese people them and him related and he own supermarket.
Bobby, and this way I try to always explain to you. Social media is not for everybody. Yes, I can make money off of some social media apps, but me I try to explain to you say you don't make no money. See, you always I say him I make money. You always a boast up say you want
So what if me say I make
him
money?
not make right now you are trying
What
to
if me say I make money? No
Lovely.
good sitting when people make money. You see you? Little boy, you don't even reach nowhere yet. And me I tell you say, public rasta make money upon there. But that's true when me see him do today.
Exactly.
Make me a feel say, but in can they make money under the quiet and me don't know. And you can't not because me say,
Alright. Bobby,
so you
TikTok.
feel say everybody that on TikTok now make money, you see you chat too much. People that pan there and make their money. Not
So wait,
because
wait.
me your mother, you know see me.
so wait,
Oh you know.
how you gonna cuss me out now?
So what
And
make
you
you
are-
they don't for me every minute I chat about money. You not make no money pan social media. Social media enough for everybody. Social media for your dog to drink or post rat cow. It up to for your luck when it a go come.
Bobby,
Everybody blessing come different. Who you? You don't know nothing. We make you not go try you out.
just me want to try you out.
Well, me, you know what? I love to watch TikTok and me love go pan it. Me likes when the people them a get them big lion and them big universe and sitting. Go try and you will see. And good things are going on TikTok.
They talk to you later. Right now, they
You're an
can't-
idiot, you don't have no sense.
So you
Young
call
fool
out-
and
so you
stupid.
call out
Bec-
son fool?
What you mean? Because if you act like you have sense, it better you go up on TikTok at least and sitting honest you they do and they get money more than you walk and go do bad things.
Bobby, they talk to you later. 'Cause
Which part of they go? Where they go? And they can't lock me gate like I say you buy this.
we mean,
Where they go?
so me can go, I shop me I go.
So sitting in a house to eat. Which part
Go
of they
on,
go? Are you
go
friend?
on.
You see it? Out of you go sit down right now and go up on TikTok. Try to see if God can send to somebody if he bless you with some gift and you go take off your money and buy where you go walk with some thief in friend and some little idiot on road and they
Okay.
trouble people. Which one you prefer?
Me talk to you later, Bobby. Me love you, but TikTok are foolishness.
TikTok kind of no damn foolishness. School you to I want to come from. That's all you know do put your mouth on people. Try know you are getting gift them no bad mind. Me, yeah, my son but I'm full of bad mind. Me can't bother you know. Me I want the fast switch in hospital. You could have never come back. You don't have one lock to the gate to lock out your backside. You got me feel the boy you see in business with me.
Richard, bro. Yo. Me come, me found him.
Alright.
Let's say the funny now.
What's that, man? What go on, man?
Boy, I'm there. What kind of movement to the front?
You know, so I come link about a little situation going on, you know, but I know say you run YouTube and, you know, them things there. But at the end of the day, you know, me kind of fresh in that business and thing. I learn a lot from you. So I don't know if you can, you know, lend me some funds until maybe next week, you know. You know, I don't know you still.
So you want that thing for borrow?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you are going. But say 2 hours of the social media, you know. And the image where you are push out and I portray on social media. Up to me feel like you make a bag of money. So I really don't understand how you want that thing to borrow. You know what I say? If you not make no money on social media, you can't really. I tell the people I'm lying. Up to the other day I see I do a live stream and I tell the people I'm say, you get a Benz, so I don't understand how you don't have no money.
Don't worry about that, man. You know, that's for social media, but you have to give them what they want, you know, because, you know what I mean? Yeah, who believe. You know, who I that, I have to sell it out. But no watch that, man. And you, me really want to be like, you know what I mean, in the future, for real. I mean, no say, you know, buy views and all them something there. But you hear me I say? You have to think you can lend me, that me come from.
Alright, here we go. I have to be honest with you, you know. I can't go around and be like that, lie to you. So here we go. Is it your thing where you depend on your type of style where you depend on social media? As a bridge, I can tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now.
How comes?
Yeah, I tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now because
I'm
a matter of fact.
Richie,
Listen, man. A matter of fact, I shouldn't even associate myself with you, brother, because you know, say, for me thing different. And everybody see me at on social media. I mean, I grow nobody.
But that so not to say with my thing. My thing is just me. I fake it till me make it. Me understand.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm matter of fact, brother. I shouldn't even turn up out that so you don't make nobody see me. So you just try link somebody else. Link somebody else.
I see I did, Richie.
I saw the thing said, yo, link somebody
Richard
else.
Brown, just easy now, man.
Look more, man. Look more.
I talk about some social media people just the same way. And them fight against you. You have some dirty social media people. But we not go take them energy as me say. Because them are them and we are we. And we are God we say.
You tell me say that on the same public cross foolishness.
Listen to me, babes, listen to me. From me and call your phone and you not answer me. So what make you want come and tell me foolishness now?
So when I just want to talk, I tell you something, I go come out and so I come to you.
Alright, what you trying to say?
I come to check you. But you see what you do on TikTok and where you do on TikTok for?
This time, man,
Right now, I'm in my backyard. You can see me little, you know, waterfalls and all these things. And, you know, I just give thanks for life, just the same way.
This man, hey, listen, me just see that man down a shop a while ago. And this man just go in and people them store, you know, and take up one vitamin C water and come out and same soon come back. I don't understand that man, yeah.
Wow, what I tried?
Yeah.
You know, so I say to my mother just so I'm going to say, he come out to the store and take out something, gear.
So well and there. That simple means say, we can go link your mother.
Link my mother over.
But this all is so going.
No, she don't know. She, me asked her already. She say, she Him give him and he gone in a taxi and go about his business.
Jesus, so we are going to do this now.
When we,
When me I got to do this.
Pen and paper and them something there, but you know what I mean? We're not going to see what I go on soon. So bless up on yourself, stay safe, watch what I go on. Alright? This is Public Ras checking out. You don't know the thing, though. We live life. Life is worth living. Love is the word, we have to spread it. Alright? So bless up on yourself. I'm going to check in back tomorrow. Yeah, man. See you there? Me see you, man. Me see you. Me see you. Alright. Bless up yourself. Come here. I can't get a taxi.
Wait, wanna still there? Make sure you like and subscribe, you know. Hey, if you're not subscribe, and make sure you go over my channel now, over there go show some love. Alright.